वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग. टुडे इज़ थर्सडे एंड आज जो डेट है वो है 13th जुलाई. सो इट्स बिन अराउंड 2 days राइट नाउ कि आई एम बैक फ्रॉम राजस्थान. एंड पिछले 2 दिनों में आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली इन्वेस्टेड इन रीअरेंजिंग द सेटअप सो दैट ये जो विंडो का बैकग्राउंड आपको दिख रहा है वो वीडियोज़ में अच्छा दिखे. एट द सेम टाइम द मोटिव वॉज कि आई शुड बी एबल टू यूज़ माई f1.8 portrait lens on the main camera so that when the camera is focusing at me, the clarity, the lighting would be better and you get some background blur as well, जिसकी वजह से videos natural और अच्छे लगते हैं. At the same time, what has happened in the last 2 days is we've got a complete vlogging setup for the GoPro. So युलांजी का केस आ गया है और एक माइक का एडाप्टर आ गया है. So काफ़ी complete और amazing setup हो गया. In fact, I'm shooting this right now with the best settings that I know on the GoPro with the mic attached. इसीलिए you would have noticed that the audio quality is pretty amazing. Now from today I have planned that we will be doing a lot of daily shots which will be edited more like Tech Burner, Mr. Beast and all those kind of things. So I'm learning new text, new animations, so all the shots are going to be very very interesting. At the same time the clarity and the quality will be better as well. Now the only thing that is left behind is rearming our arsenal with more devices. So the Mi 11X is still lagging behind. I'll try my best to send it through DTDC today. इसके अलावा a lot of y'all have been telling me to buy the Nothing Phone 2. Now as much as I would love to try that device, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is the last year's chip. Secondly, it is priced at 45,000 rupees. अभी discounts के बाद भी if it would have been below 40,000, I would have still given it a try. And trust me, एक आध महीने के बाद I will not use it in the long term, and when I go to sell it, I will not get more than 30-32. So I will probably wait for the second hand or the used phone market to come up with Nothing Phone devices. Right now तो सब overpriced है, 50,000 मांग रहे लोग. I don't know why इतना premium device भी नहीं है. So for now what I can say is Nothing Phone का wait करेंगे. हाँ, Nothing Phone 1 I might buy in the next 1 week. Poco F5, Poco F4 के लिए negotiations चालू है. ये सारे devices वो है जो channel में add होने वाले हैं. इन पे ROM reviews और जो daily content हम बनाते हैं वो चलता रहेगा. फिलहाल चलिए let's have breakfast, let's start the day and let's see how the shoot goes today. Alright, good evening. It's 5:46 in the evening. After 2 to 3 hours, I have finished editing one shot. 1 मिनट के शॉट को 2 से 3 घंटा एडिट किया है बिकॉज इस स्टाइल की एडिटिंग कलर ग्रेडिंग मैंने पहली बार की है. सो आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स एंड आई प्लान टू इम्प्लीमेंट दिस इन माई डे टू डे लाइफ एंड रील्स नाउ दैट यू सी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, even on YouTube के जो shorts है, they should be looking much better. I am planning to add a lot of things to the studio, especially a soft box जिसमें वो B-rolls, बड़े channels like B-Bomb, TechWiser, अलग setups and stuff like that. So all those things will be added. Nothing Phone 1, Nothing Phone 2 purchase करने का plan है. And to give you a heads up, next week Wednesday या Thursday को राजस्थान की trip start हो सकती है. But this time we will cut it short, we will not make it long. And as I said, GoPro में quality improve हो रही है day by day. But indoors में पता नहीं GoPro को क्या हो जाता है. So there are some settings that I'm figuring out, color correction, बहुत सारी चीज़ें experimental दिखेगी आपको अगले few videos में. For now, we have to shoot a video on Evolution X for the Poco X3 Pro because that is what I'm using since the last, I don't know, 10 days now. And it's been probably the longest that I've not changed the ROM on my primary device. And I don't even have any other primary device. मुझे ना इन lights का I'll have to do something because whenever I'm shooting from this angle like this, or I should be shooting like this. ये angle से भी these lights are coming. So I don't know why. Yeah, from this angle I think it's giving a very good reflection as far as lights are concerned. But most of the time indoors के लिए GoPro, even though this is a Hero 11 Black, it's not giving me the best clarity. So if any of you is using a GoPro, let me know the best settings. I'm already using the best low light settings. For now, let's get on the bike. Half an hour का break लेते हैं since morning we are working. And tomorrow's day is going to be super exciting, guys. सुपर डुपर एक्साइटिंग और ये वीकेंड तो तोड़ फोड़ होने वाला है बिकॉज बाइक लेके वी आर गोइंग फॉर अ राइड. चलो फिलहाल कुछ खा के आते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गेट टू ईट. तो पिछले 3-4 दिन से आई बीन थिंकिंग दैट आई विल गेट हर वॉश्ड एंड ये कैट ने कर दिया था. सो वी हैव टू गेट दिस फिक्स्ड एज वेल. बाइक इज एक्सट्रीमली डर्टी राइट नाउ. कुछ जगह पे देयर इज रस्ट एज वेल. सो वी हैव टू फिक्स दैट एज वेल. रेन इज एक्सपेक्टेड एट 6:30 इट वाज सेइंग बट 6:47 हो गया. बारिश तो आई नहीं है. The only thing left to buy or order from Amazon is the mic for the helmet. Alright, so we are at this place called 1441 Pizzeria and we've ordered a few starters and a pizza. That is the plan. अब आज dinner जल्दी कर रहे हैं. We are starting at 7:12. It's extremely early, so we can go to sleep by 11, and I can start working at 6 a.m. Get up early, early to the bed, early to rise, wake, shift, whatever that is. So we've ordered something delicious. खाते हैं and then we'll get on the bike and we'll get back home. Because घर पे काफ़ी editing pending है and I have to figure out a few more things for the GoPro for Sunday's ride. At the same time, I have to hunt for a nothing phone. So when I hunt for the nothing phone, I will definitely show it to you. What prizes we are getting and what stuff we are getting. Okay, so looks like it has rained. We are done eating the pizza. Abhi, I don't know what else is to be done today. I had plans ki thoda sa ghumenge and we'll roam a little bit but looking at the weather, it doesn't feel like we'll be able to do that. Meanwhile, let me tell you guys about the Nothing Phone 2. I checked a lot of things on that device. Yeah, because I am genuinely interested in buying the Nothing Phone 2, to be honest. And offers के साथ it is 42,000, right? Which I think is a little overpriced. Like I would pay what the OnePlus 11R costs for that price. So, but nonetheless, the Nothing Phone 1 is definitely coming to our channel.